tutorial of where to find Beanstack and how to log in book titles. We will begin by searching for Beanstack on Clever. So we scroll down. As we scroll down, we look for the icon that looks like this on Beanstack, and we click on Beanstack. As you land on Beanstack's landing page, you will see here that first thing that shows up are challenges. As I go down right now, it tells me which challenges are available for me to log into. You're going to see our school's Level Up Summer Challenge, but you're also going to see challenges at Broward County Library. When you do this, you can sign up for both challenges. So I'm going to click on Level Up. A pop-up window shows up where it says Level Up, and it tells you to join the challenge. You will click Join the Challenge. The one here down here that says Tales and Tales, the Broward County Library is also having a summer reading challenge, and when you log in your challenges, it can go for both the library and the school. And the Broward County Library is also giving away lots of prizes. So I'm going to click on Tales and Tales. Again, I want to join this challenge. And now it says, woohoo, Celia is registered for the 2021 Adult Challenge. And now you can see that I have the challenges here available. I want to log in my activity. I'm going to go to the top where it said log reading, and I have lots of accounts, so I'm going to go as myself. Now, depending on what the public library is doing, you can log books. Now, the summer reading challenge for Seminole is logging in minutes, and so as I click on here on minutes, I will click on the first day, which is the 17th. Oh, but I can't because it's too ahead of us. I'm going to click on May 10th. And then I can scan my book if I want to do so here, or I'm going to write down how many hours I spent reading today. And so today I spent 30 minutes reading. And so I can put the timer on right now, and it would start recording the time that I've read. But you can also just write down the time that you've spent reading. As I go back to the recording page, I'm going to go on here. Now you can write down the title of the book that you're reading. I am reading City Spies at the moment. You don't have to, you can just put in the time, and does search for it by James Ponti. Now it says, would you like to include a review? You can if you'd like to, but you don't have to. And now notice this right here. Would you like to complete this book? Now, if you are doing both challenges, like from the Broward County Library and Seminole, this one, you would have to check yes in order for it to count for the Broward County Beanstack Challenge. And so I would say yes, and then I'm going to say to log, and it's going to log in my first book. So right now I have the first badge for one of the challenges. Now back on the landing page, on the top you have these different tabs, and so you can see what activity you have on your account. Reviews, you would see if you've written a review for a specific book, and others can see that review. The badges that I've earned along the way. So today I read and I registered for the Summer Reading Challenge, and there it is. Under the Reading Log tab, it gives you what your streak is of logging information in, but you can also see what you've read in the past. And if I click on today, the 10th, it tells me how many books I've completed, titles I've completed, reading time, I have 30 minutes. And then the last thing I did was in May here, today, and I put City Spies, and notice that it goes by date of all the different books I've logged into my Beanstack account.